and pictures are of the Chief Minister right now. It's the newly constructed Sapta Mandapam, where 7 idols have been installed commemorating saints and devotees closely associated, Samarth, with the Ramayan Lord. This includes Maharishi Valmiki as well, Maharishi Vishwamitra, Maharishi Agastya, Maharishi Vashishtha, Nishadraj, Ahilya and Shabari.
Well, exactly. It's the Ram Darbar, and apart from that, 7 to 8 others. They all are being under the Pran Pratishtha thing, and that's why we see the Sheshavatar Murti and Lord Surya Narayan Murti and many other murtis, many other idols are being there in the consecration ceremony. As this is Abhijit Muhurat is on, and that's why the consecration ceremony is happening, and CM Yogi inside. So these are the visuals from inside where you are seeing a beautiful idol of Lord Sri Ram and all with all of its family, Bharat, Shatrughan, Lord Hanuman and Sita. You see these visuals are clearly captivating, and the atmosphere in Ayodhya seems to be electrifying.
Figures, of course, Samarth, have deep spiritual relevance and reflect the inclusive values of Sri Ram's journey as well, isn't it? And hence the importance of placing these figures as well.
Well, obviously, the spiritual value is very high for Ayodhya because we see after defeating Ravan in Lanka, Sri Ram came here, and then it was the festival. It was a festival called Diwali, which happened here. We saw Deepotsav as well, and you keep on seeing the visuals here of the Ram temple as well. With how the pictures out here coming here, a lot of devotees having the Rasoi Bhandara, Sita Rasoi Bhandara is happening. If you zoom out this particular image, this visual, Sita Rasoi Bhandara is happening at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, as we see a lot of devotees come here to have the Bhog Prasad, to have the Bhandara, which is on 24/7 for the devotees, for the seva of devotees, and that's the influence of spiritualism in India. That's the devotion of Hanuman, Ram, and especially Ayodhya. We saw how Diwali was celebrated later on, and then it became a ritual about everything in Ayodhya for the time when Lord Sri Ram was born at one end and when he came back after defeating Ravana.
Just coming in from the mandir at this point in time, the chief minister, they're part of the grand consecration ceremony. This is the Pran Pratishtha of 8 holy idols. To tell our viewers, ceremonies include Agnihotra, special yajnas, Panchagavya, and continuous chanting of Vedic hymns aimed at sanctifying the idols and energizing the temple complex. The consecration process following specific Vedic methods for each idol, enhancing the spiritual vibration of the temple.
Vijay Bhava Sarvatra Sarvada Bhavatu Mangalam Janmadinam Sudinam Sudinam Janmadinam Tava Sudinam Janmadinam Tava Bhavatu Mangalam Janmadinam जन्मदिन 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 जय जय श्री राम भारत माता की वंदे वंदे
On your screen, pictures of the consecration ceremony, the rituals of Pran Pratishtha, which are underway. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath meeting with, in fact, the priests right there, the rituals of Pran Pratishtha and the consecration ceremony, the Vedic chants and the puja which is happening. Pictures are from a while ago. These are rituals of the Pran Pratishtha and its consecration of 8 idols today. These are the rituals considered soul-infusing and ceremonies that bring the divine presence into the murtis, making the space a spiritually active place of worship.
हम निश्चित तौर पर परंपराओं की बात करते हैं, प्रतिष्ठाओं की बात करते हैं। यहाँ पर ये तमाम लोग श्री राम दरबार जो कि प्रथम तल पर है, यहाँ से आगे प्रस्थान करते हुए। और एक बात बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण है पूजा कि जब हम कह रहे थे लगातार कि ये दिन बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण है और इस दिन का मुहूर्त